Alright, so while the kids are playing, I figured no time better than now than to do the back brakes on my 85 125M. The nuts on the wheels are 14 millimeters. While I'm in here, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take like the chain guard and stuff off as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock both wheels off. Alright, so next, we have the bolts off and the washer. So next we're going to take this 10 millimeter and we're going to take all of these nuts loose around here, and then that should expose us to our drum that's hopefully one piece and intact, and a hopefully worn out brake shoe. And here we have our brake drum. So I'm not sure why it's not just sliding off. Something is holding it in place. So I got the brake drum off. The issue was that this adjustment, I guess for the rear brake, was adjusted all the way out. And since it was all the way out, I guess it had the brake pads extended. Therefore, it was hitting the inside of the drum and not allowing the drum to come free. So I just grab it, I know my hands are in the way, and I just fold it onto each other, just like so. And then it should just come right out, just like that. And that's how I remove my brake shoes, and it works every time, half the time. I fold them, just like so. Put the bottom side where it's supposed to be, stretch, oh, don't fall, stretch the top side over. All right, and there we go. All right, so the back adjustment is all the way out, and then the adjustment on the handlebar is all the way in, and then the adjustment over here by the transmission is almost all the way down. And now I have enough clearance to get the brake drum on. And when I come back, both locking nuts and the cover, the hub nut, the bolts that go around the cover, and the axle nut and a new cotter pin will be installed. Well, I'm glad I took the chain guard off, because all of this was up there behind it. After we rode the last time, I heard a bunch of clunking and stuff behind the chain guard, because all of that was caught up under here and rubbing against the chain. So yeah, I'm glad that I removed that, and I'm going to keep that off. I'm going to leave the chain guard on there for protection from rocks and stuff. But as far as the chain guard cover goes, I'm going to leave that off. I think it'll be for the best. I just want to show you what potentially could be hiding back there behind your chain guard. Like, for instance, got a stick and some mud. So yeah, I think it'll be better without that. But this is pretty easy brake job. Compared to the brake jobs I've seen on YouTube, this one came apart as easy as what you could imagine for a 37-year-old ATC. I will take my W's when I can. So I got her all back together. This is all the dirt that was behind the chain guard and sticks. The rear brakes work now, so that's pretty awesome. It's dark outside, it's almost 9 o'clock, but the rear brakes, they work. But I'm excited about having some rear brakes, because before it was 0. This was plain and simple. I'm surprised it was that easy. So next, I need to do the front brakes, but it's not gonna be on this fork. It's gonna be on the 185S 200S suspension front fork. So hopefully you changing your rear brakes on your 125M will be just as simple as what I did on mine. I hope. I pray for you.